Okay, first of all, you need to go to auth.com. Okay, download their application and open it. This is their application. After that, go to Kucoin.com. Sign up for account, email and password, click next. Then go to your email account, then click to activate your Kucoin account. After that, you log in on Kucoin. Okay? When you are logged in, go to settings. After settings, click on Google 2 steps. Okay? When you arrive here in Google 2 steps, don't copy this. Copy the letters here, okay? Those letters, copy like this and open your auth account. Go here, add a new account. Okay, when you arrive here, paste here, click Ctrl V, paste, and click on add account. After that, you need to choose one, which one you like. For example, green. Click on that, then save. Okay, and you can give a name, for example, test, and save. Then here you get it straight away. Thank you.